So good morning, everyone. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very
Good
good
morning,
morning.
ma'am.
A very good morning to all
Good
of you.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Danya, Shivani, Jigar Singh, Hare, Pritika, everyone sit with your camera on, please. Everyone, Vedant and other students, Moksha and other students, those who have kept their camera off, please sit with your camera on. Sit with your camera on, everyone. So today I am going to take a combined class of 4B and 4C with the topic of mathematics, as we have already started the chapter number 4, tick, tick, tick. And this chapter is about what?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, clock.
clock.
Ma'am,
Excuse me, ma'am.
clock.
Clock.
Ma'am, clock.
Yes, yes, this chapter
Clock.
is about the
The chapter of
Moksh Patel's.
Clock.
Okay.
Ma'am, why
So
did you join the class in activity class?
I have already told the reason to the students. You have joined late, but you are having your class here. Enjoy your class. Okay. No hurry, no revision today. Revision of the topic what we have done yesterday, that I will take the revision verbally. I will ask the questions from each and every child. Okay, Moin Kuledi, Vedant, as I have checked, Vedant, you are there in the class. Again the camera is off. Children, I really like to see your pretty faces, so please turn on your camera.
And
Okay.
my camera is not turning on.
Okay, Dheer, you have problem? No problem. You sit here properly. Vedant, yes, Vedant, I have seen your worksheet yesterday. I have seen there were a lot of questions were wrong. So we will discuss the timing again as we have discussed yesterday. First, I will ask from Shivangani. Shivangani, 1 minute equals to how many seconds?
1 minute
Minute equals
to
how many seconds?
60 seconds.
Uh,
60 seconds. 1
Ane,
minute.
Ane, is she right? 1 minute equal to 60 seconds.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Pritika, is she right? 1 minute equals to 60 seconds.
No, ma'am.
Why not no?
Yes, ma'am. She is right.
Yes, she is right. Viva, she is right.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. And the second hand will take how many rounds to complete 1 minute? How many rounds the second hand will take to reach to the 1 minute? Yes,
One round.
yes,
One
Jiga
round.
Singh, one round.
One round, ma'am.
Now my next question is Aradhya. Aradhya, you have also done the wrong exercises in the yesterday's worksheet. Please pay attention in the class. Okay. Now tell me, in 1 hour, how many minutes?
1 hour.
1 hour.
60 minutes.
60 minutes. Dwani, in half an hour, how many minutes?
What, ma'am?
In half an hour, 1 hour, 60 minutes. Half an hour, how many minutes?
30 minutes.
Arth Gujarati.
Yes, ma'am.
1 hour, how many minutes?
30 minutes.
Asta, half an hour, how many minutes?
Ma'am, 30.
And in 1 hour also he told 30, and in half an hour is also 30. Then you are right or he is right?
Ma'am, I am right.
And he is?
Wrong.
So what he needs to give me the answer? Arth, what you need to give me the answer? 1 hour equals to how many minutes?
60.
Yes. Got it now?
Yes.
Muhammad Momin, as everyone is saying, 1 hour is 60 minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So minute hand will take how many rounds of a clock to reach the 1 hour?
A minute and it is 60 rounds.
60 rounds.
Because 1 minute has one round.
1 minute has one round. Okay.
Ma'am, for 1 hour, a minute hand will take one round.
One complete round
Yes, ma'am.
of a clock. I'm telling how many rounds it will take.
Ma'am, means if it is 1 hour, so the minute will end take a full one round, then it will be 60 seconds.
Yes. And the hour hand, okay. Now we'll see the timing here. If, Niva, if the timing is 9 o'clock, where will be the shorthand and where will be the longhand?
The shorthand will be at 9 and the longhand will be at 12.
Hooray! If the timing is 11 o'clock, where will be the shorthand and where will be the longhand?
Shorthand will be the in 11
On 11.
on 11 and longhand will 12.
So what is the common thing you are noticing in o'clock time? Jignesh, when it is a o'clock time, what is the common thing you are noticing in the timing? He also says in 11 o'clock the time, the shorthand will be on 11 and the longhand will be on 12. And when it's 6 o'clock, the shorthand will be on 6 and the longhand will be on 12. So what is the common thing you are noticing here when it is a o'clock time?
If that's a o'clock, then it would be the minute hand would be always on B12.
Yes, when it is o'clock time, Moin Kuledi, sit straight. When it is o'clock time, the minute hand will always Kashvi.
Sorry,
Sit
ma'am.
properly. When it is o'clock time, we always see that the minute hand will always on 12. Only the hour hand will change from 1 hour to the another hour. Got it, everyone? But I have seen in o'clock time, no one is facing so much difficulty. But some of you facing the difficulty in quarter to, quarter past or half past timing. For example, Vedant, now my question is from you. This is what time is showing here in my clock. Very good, Niva.
It's
Keep it.
9:50.
9:15. And in mathematical words, 9:15 is also known as, I have told 3 mathematical words to tell the time. Is anyone remember that?
Hello, ma'am. 21.
I can say.
Who is saying 21?
Hello, ma'am. 21. I say.
Who is saying 21 and 22? What?
Ma'am, 21. 21. I say.
For 9:15, it is quarter past. Ma'am, it is quarter past.
But I want to know which child is saying 21.
Mohammed.
Mohammed, what 21? Can you please tell me? My dear, that we learn in the 24-hour clock time. That will be the next step. Okay. Till now, I have not explained you the AM and PM, how we directly go to the 24-hour timings. Okay. That I will explain in the next coming classes. Till now, you should know how to read this common clock, which is having 12 hours and plus 12 hours make 24 hours. So, first of all, wait a minute. Ma'am is not the solution. Jiga Singh, I'll clear your doubt. First, you listen. So, wait a minute, Vedant.
Quarter past 9.
Quarter past 9. Quarter past word when we use past, जो निकल चुका है. And quarter means for 15 minutes we have already learned. किसी भी चीज का quarter निकालना होता है तो we divide that number by 2. Okay. If we want to find the quarter means होता है 1/4. 1/4 of anything. So 1/4 निकालने के लिए we divide that by 2. Oh, sorry, by 4. For example, if I say, what is the quarter of 8? What is the quarter of 8, Manya? Divide 8 by 4. 4 parts में divide कर दो 8 को. Equal 4 parts में.
32.
8 को 4 बार 8 ही है आपके पास. How can be the multiple timing you are doing the multiplication? I'm telling you, you have only 8 chocolates. Divide them into 4 equal parts.
Ma'am, I can say.
Ma'am, 2.
2. So the quarter of 8 is 2. Quarter means any number divided by 4 means 4 equal parts. अब 60 minutes हैं 1 hour में. 60 minutes का quarter कितना होता है? 15 minutes is the quarter of 60.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
7:45.
wait a minute. Wait a minute, Jigar. I will listen to you and I will give the answer for your query also. So, quarter means 15 minutes. And when it is already past 15 minutes from 9, 9 के बाद भी और 15 minutes हो गए हैं, right? Like this. So means 15 minutes already passed after 9. So we call it as quarter past 9. 15 minutes passed हो गए. Yes, Vedant, you are correct. Quarter past 9. Now comes the when the long hand, the minute hand is coming on 6. Means 30 minutes pass हो गए हैं and 30 minutes are the half of 60. So we call it as half past 9. Half past 9. Now, when I bring it here, now some of you will write as in the different way, I think. Because yesterday also I have given you this type of questions. So I have checked the worksheet. Some of you have done wrong. It is, there are 2 ways to tell this time. There are 2 ways to tell this time.
I can say.
No, Jigar Singh will tell me. Yes, Jigar.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, please ask.
Ma'am, when the minute hand come at the 6, it's called half past.
Yes. Got it?
Yes.
And now you can see
Ma'am?
Tej Kumar has written the answer. Kashvi, every time this is the problem I'm facing you. Either you making hairs or you're not sitting properly. Now you eating in the class. You do one thing, you better leave the class and enjoy. Mute your mic, everyone, please. Pritika and Vedant, mute your mics. So children, many of you have written the timing in the this chat box. It is 9:45. But the other way of telling this is in the mathematical terms, it is quarter to 10.
Ma'am, I was saying that only quarter.
Can you please explain us why it is quarter to 10?
Ma'am, because a quarter is left.
Yes, a quarter is left. 15 minutes are left. So quarter to 10. 10 बजने में 15 minutes और हैं. Past होता है जो निकल गया. 15 minutes have passed. Quarter past means 15 minutes past. Quarter to, Vihan Dobaria, your answer is wrong. Quarter past 9. It is quarter to 10 now.
Oh.
10 बजने वाले हैं और 10 बजने में 15 minutes हैं. And we call 15 minutes as quarter.
Yes, I'm writing the first. I think it was that.
Now clear everyone? This timing is quarter to 10. Yes, Pritika, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Yes, Vedant, any doubt?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I have to say something, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, the worksheet you sent yesterday, it was confusing because the 2 of those hands were looking the same.
No, I'll show you that also. I'll show you that timing also. So quarter to, quarter past, half past is clear to you all? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Now,
in the yesterday's worksheet, you sent the worksheet. No, in the question number 2, the fourth one, 12:40 in the day.
Dhwani, why you are opening that worksheet? Did I told to open that worksheet? That was not yesterday's worksheet. That is today's worksheet. Once you are not clear with the topic, how you will do today's worksheet? Did I announce to open that worksheet? Don't go always ahead. When teacher is announcing, then we will do that. Clear, Dhwani? That is today's worksheet, which you will do after understanding today's concept. You will not understand until you will not understand in the class. You will not able to do that worksheet. Am I clear? Don't confuse everyone.
Ma'am, I cannot understand that quarter one.
Quarter one is not clear to you? See, when the long hand is passing from 12 to 3, it is quarter past. 15 minutes nikal gaya. Quarter means 15 minutes. Quarter past 11. 11 के बाद 15 minutes निकल गए. तो if you say anyone that the time is quarter past 11, that person will understand it properly. Okay. And now when the long hand is coming on 6, it is half past 11. It is half past 11. Now when it is coming on 9, now you will say quarter to 12. Quarter to
12.
12.
We said 9:45 also.
And we can call it as not 9:45.
12:45.
11:45.
Oh, because
12 is not completed. Na? It's now, yeah, I will tell you what.
45.
Children, as it is coming closer to 12 बजने वाले हैं, तो धीरे धीरे you will see that the shorthand will be in between the 11 and 12. So don't get confused that it is 12 or it is 11. Children, it is always the previous number when it is in between. अगर ये shorthand 3 और 4 के बीच में है, for example, wait. When you see, wait a minute, I'll show you this timing. This time. Now, this time, Vedant, you have done mistakes, this type of timings.
Yes, ma'am.
30.
You have read this time as 3:30. But
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
not 3:30. When it is in, wait, Muhammad, wait. When the shorthand is between the numbers, then we read the before number. अगर 2 और 3 के बीच में है तो हम 2 पढ़ेंगे. अगर 3 और 4 के बीच में है ये number, so we read it as 3 और 4 के बीच में है तो no. 3:30.
3.
Got it? We read always the before number.
Yes, ma'am.
जब वो बीच में आएगा तो again.
Ma'am, I am confused in the quarter past.
When you do more activities, no, you also try, my dear. Okay, you also try at home. Then come ask next class. Now, Viva, what time it is showing?
5:30.
5. Your mic is
5:30. Ma'am, 5:30.
5:30. It is not 6:30. 5:30 because the minute hand is between 5 and 6. And when it is between the numbers, we read the before number. पहले वाला number पढ़ते हैं. We don't take the big number. We don't take 6. We will take 5. Clear, everyone? Okay. And what is the other way of telling this time?
Quarter past half past
Quarter to
30.
15. Yeah. Quarter to 15 से related होगा. Half past 5. हाफ पास्ट 6 नहीं बोलोगे आप. 6 के बाद थोड़ी हाफ पास्ट 5 मीन 5 o'clock के बाद और हाफ एन आवर और निकल गया. 5:30 हो गए. It is half past 5. Now, children, I request you also explore take the clock at home, which is of no use, and then try to see the timings of different, explore yourself, okay? Next, now, children, as you know that in this clock, we see every number coming 2 times, right? Because we know in one day, there are 24 hours. If I'm talking about, I'm telling anyone only 7 o'clock. Suppose I'm talking to Vihan and I'm telling Vihan, I every day take class at 7 o'clock. So will he able to find out whether I'm talking about the morning or I'm talking about the evening? No. So we use some short abbreviations, that is Latin words, to define the differentiate between morning and evening, that are called AM and PM. That are called AM and who will tell me? Just a minute. Let me take the attendance. Let me take the attendance for a minute and then we continue.
Ma'am, I can say the full form of PM and AM.
Wait a minute. I'll give you a chance. Okay. Yes, I want to give chance to the Moksh. Yes, Moksh.
Ma'am, the full form of AM is anti-meridian and the full form of PM is post-meridian.
Yes, he told the full form of AM is anti-meridian, and the full form of PM is post-meridian. But what do you understand by these words, anti-meridium and the post-meridium?
Ma'am, I can say.
Yes, Manya.
When I go to work.
Anti-meridian means in morning, and
That too you have learned, that anti-meridium is morning and the post-meridium is the noon, right?
Ma'am, it could be the post meridian is past and
Yes,
anti.
after and before it is.
Yes, ma'am.
But after and before related to what?
Ma'am,
Anti-meridium is, I'll tell you, anti-meridium is before midday. Midday, you know what? After 12 or noon, the midday starts. Okay. After 12 noon, midday starts. So before 12 o'clock, before midday is AM. After midday ke baad PM. And always remember, you will get 2 times 12 o'clock also. One in the morning and one in the midnight.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
we never use AM and PM with the 12. We never use AM and PM with the 12. Can Harsh Keshwani tell us when I am talking about the 12 in the morning? So what I will use with the 12?
At morning of 12 at morning is 12. Now it's 12:09, so we call 12:09.
I am exactly yeah, you are correct that you selling it now. It is 12:09, so it will be 12 PM. But I am exactly talking about the 12. 12 ही बजे हैं घड़ी में.
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock. But if I want to use any abbreviation, I want to make, mute yourself please. I want to make the difference of 12 o'clock तो बजे हैं. Like which 12 o'clock we are talking about, either morning or evening. उसको कैसे differentiate करेंगे? Who will explain me? Any child? Rajvi Nakre, will you try? Rajvi Nakre? No, wait. 12 के साथ I have already given you a hint that with the 12 morning and 12 midnight, we never use AM or PM.
12 a.m.
No, we never use AM and PM. Yes, please go.
ma'am, 12 noon.
Yes. And Manya, 12 at the night.
Ma'am, 12.
12 midnight.
Yes, ma'am. 12 midnight.
If I am talking about 12 at the night, we will use 12 midnight. We will not say 12 a.m. We will not say 12 p.m. 12 at the night is 12. Mute yourself, Mohammed. Everyone, please. Let everyone listen so that they will not forget these terms. 12 at the night is, we will use 12 midnight, and 12 in the noon we will use 12 noon. But as soon as it will pass 1 minute also after the 12, after 12 noon, if it will pass 1 minute also, it will be PM.
PM and AM.
So now from midnight 12 बज के 1 minute भी हुए हैं, we start the AM now. From the midnight, रात से AM शुरू हो जाता है. Don't, we will not wait for the morning कि सुबह 6 बजेंगे तभी AM है. उससे पहले वाला टाइम सारा PM है. It is not like that. Even if a midnight 12 o'clock के बाद, midnight after midnight 12 o'clock, 12 बज के 1 minute भी हुआ है, then we will use what? Which word? AM.
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 So from 12 midnight AM, after 12 midnight, we will use AM till the 11:59 at the morning. 11:59 तक हम AM use करते हैं. जैसे ही morning में 12 बज गया, we will not use AM or PM. We will say at the noon. And जैसे ही वो 12 noon से 1 minute भी आगे हो गया, we will start PM. Okay.
Post meridian.
And till PM will go till the 11:59 at the night. As soon as it will complete exact 12, it will be 12 midnight.
Night.
Suppose now I am talking about this timing. Wait. I'll show you. Or suppose I will use some words with that, and I'm not using AM and PM. You will tell me what I will put, AM or PM. Pragyan, this question is from you. I am going to school at 7:30. AM or PM? Not giving answer. Yes. Dhyan Patel. I am having my breakfast. Breakfast word is coming. I am having my breakfast at 10 o'clock. AM or PM?
AM.
Moin Kuledi. I am having my dinner with my family at 9. It's AM or PM?
Excuse me, ma'am. It's not Kuladi, it's Kaludi.
Oh, whatever. Maybe my pronunciation is wrong. Yes, Moin. Taking dinner with my family at night, 9 o'clock. So I will use AM or PM?
AM.
AM. वाह, आप सुबह डिनर करते हैं? AM नहीं होगा तो PM तो होगा ही. Don't guess the answers. Give the correct answers. Viha.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm taking lunch with my family at 2:30.
PM.
Very good. Mohammad Momin.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm having a tea with my friends or my family members at 8 o'clock.
Ma'am, AM.
Yes. I am playing with my friends, Manya. I am playing with my friends at 6:30.
6:30 PM.
6:30 p.m. Because it is naturally that she will go for playing with the friends at evening only,
Evening.
not in the morning 6 o'clock.
Yes, ma'am.
So now wait, one more thing. There are many questions given in the worksheet which I have already posted in your classroom, which you will
Yes,
do after
ma'am.
the class. Okay, there are many interesting questions which you will enjoy to do it. One more last question, one or two more questions I will ask. Suppose Manya has started. Manya and Jigar Singh, you are the two. I'm taking Manya as the main person, and Jignesh will answer of these questions. Jignesh, you will answer what I will point out the Manya. You will answer the questions. Manya, you have started your journey. You are going somewhere out. You have started your journey at 10 a.m. So Jignesh, it is morning or evening?
It's morning.
Morning 10 a.m. But
Yes,
she reaches to Delhi. Suppose she is going Delhi. She reaches there at Delhi after 5 hours.
Yes.
So at what time she is reaching?
3 p.m.
Excellent answer. Shivani, have you seen changes from AM? She started the journey at AM, but when she is reaching, तो वो जो AM है वो चेंज होके PM में कन्वर्ट हो गया, because after 12 o'clock उसने क्रॉस कर लिए 3 more hours, so now it is 3 p.m.
3 p.m.
Shivani, you will give me the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Shivani, you going to school at 7:30 and you are staying in the school at 6 hours. At what time you will come back? And you will use AM or PM, that also you tell me. You going to schools at 7:30 and you spending there 6 hours. After 6 hours you coming back home. So at what time you coming home?
Ma'am, one day.
Ma'am, at 3 p.m.
How? Calculate 6 hours after 7:30.
Ma'am, I can see.
Sir, 1 p.m.
No, still you missing something.
Ma'am, 1:30
Children, if you all give the answer like this, how it is possible? Yes, Bhavya Sagar. What time she will reach back to home?
Ma'am, my phone's battery is full. Can I leave?
1:30 p.m.
Then you will do the exercises by your own. Yes, Bhavya.
Yes, ma'am.
1:30
PM.
Yes. Harsh Keshwani.
Yes, ma'am.
You going to play? You going to play with your friends? In the unmute yourself, please. You going to play with your friends at in the evening 5 o'clock, 5 p.m. and then you spending 2 hours with your friend. At what time you coming back?
7 PM.
Yeah. So have you
7 hours, ma'am.
7 hours? No. Now AM and PM is used, so we cannot say hours.
And 7.
Got it? 7 p.m. Yes. Viha.
Yes, ma'am.
You tell me, you frame any question. Children, you frame any questions now based on this. That changing in the AM or PM. Yes, now Jignesh is giving one example, then you also try. Yes, Jignesh.
At once there was a farmer who worked from 12 noon to 12 midnight. How many hours he worked?
Hmm.
It's
So have
12
you
hours.
changed check that from 12 to 12 noon to 12 midnight, that also changed?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
12 hours. 12 hours.
Yes, ma'am.
12 hour it is working, but the way we were changing AM and PM, now when it is from 12 noon to 12 midnight, it is changing noon to
Ma'am,
midnight.
that's why only I framed this question.
Yes.
12 hour and 12 noon.
Yes, from 12 now noon to till 12 to 12 hours it is working. So you can see the changes from 12 noon, it is becoming the 12 midnight now. Got it, everyone? So I am going to send the worksheet or base. Any other child want to explain me something?
Yes, ma'am, I want to.
Yes, please. Mani.
Yes, ma'am. Then I.
Yes,
I'm
Mani.
going to play with my friends at 7 o'clock AM. And
You going in the morning? Do you like to go in the morning?
7 o'clock
Maybe it can be possible. Dear, it is not like that compulsory. Maybe you have vacation, you go with the friends at 7 a.m. You are correct. It is possible. It is not wrong. But you use that I was having vacation, so I used to play the vac. So you just describe the scenario to us. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yes,
I have a
please.
question.
Yes, let
when my
Maya.
vacation started,
At the second day, I went to play with my friends at 7 a.m. and I was playing for 6 hours. And how many hours are they? At how many?
At what time? How
Sorry,
many hours? So you already told. So how many? At what time you will reach home?
1 p.m. 1 p.m.
1 p.m. I say 1 p.m. ma'am. 1
Yes.
p.m.
Yes, Pritika. Yes, Pritika. Last question to you. Yeah, time up. So can we continue in the next class, Pritika?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, students. So I'm going to send you the worksheet based on the AM and PM.
Ma'am,
Do it
you
and
have
you will
sent
review.
that. You have sent
I have
that.
already sent. Yes. You will do after the class.
Bye, ma'am. Have a good day.